don't write Mecca, M-E-C-C-A. Always write correctly Makkah, M-A-K-K-H, because Mecca, M-E-C-C-A, means a house of vines. And this message is partly correct, because I have said in some of my lectures earlier that the right spelling of the Arabic word Makkah is M-A-K-K-A-H, and don't spell it as M-E-C-C-A. And I have a reason for that. To say that Mecca means M-E-C-C-A, a house of vines, is baseless. Mecca in English means a place which is of a gathering or where people are attracted for an event. That's the English meaning. But the right word for the city in Saudi Arabia where the Prophet was born is Makkah. And the more correct spelling, if you transliterate it from Makkah, is M-A-K-K-A-H. I'm not so much particular if someone makes small mistakes in transliteration, and that's common. But why do I say don't say Mecca, M-E-C-C-A? Because Mecca, if you search, it's Mecca Bingo, is a chain of gambling dens and casinos in UK. So Mecca Bingo is known for gambling because M-E-C-C-A, Mecca Bingo, is a chain of gambling dens and casinos. So to differentiate between these two, I said that, but this information that Mecca is house of vines, I'm not aware from where did this person get from.